Bank Negara has decided to maintain its benchmark overnight policy rate, or OPR, at 3.25%. The decision was taken at a meeting of the bank's Monetary Policy Committee today. While many analysts did expect the OPR to be maintained at 3.25%, others had predicted a 25 basis point hike to 3.5%. An increase in the OPR would affect businesses as well as consumers, as there will be a similar increase in the base lending rate of commercial banks. At an earlier meeting on July 10th, Bank Negara's Monetary Policy Committee had raised the OPR by 25 basis points to 3.25%. This was the first time the central bank raised the OPR since May 2011. The hike was in response to firm growth prospect and aim at containing inflation and curbing rising household debt. Analysts who had predicted an hike in the OPR had cited Malaysia's strong second-quarter gross domestic product growth of 6.4%. But in its announcement today, Bank Negara said domestic demand is expected to moderate but remain the key driver of growth. Also, while private investment activity is projected to remain robust, private consumption is expected to moderate. Exports, meanwhile, will continue to benefit from the recovery in the advanced economies and from regional demand, but the export growth will be slower. Malaysia's export had dropped to 0.6% year-on-year in July, compared to an average of 2.6% for the first half of this year. The central bank said inflation is expected to remain relatively stable for the remainder of the year. The inflation rate edged up to 3.2% in July to 3.3% in August. Going into next year, the central bank says inflation is projected to rise higher. It is expected to be above its long-term average due to domestic cost factors. Jacqueline Peng, DHTV.